Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add icon list in your Divi WordPress website. So guys, here you can see on the top this is an example of icon list. So on the left side there is icon and on the right side there is some content. So how we can do that? Here you can see this is my dev website. Let me log in. And after that now we are in the dashboard. So let's install a new plugin. Just here we can type Divi. Now here you can see these are all the plugins free of cost. Just you can install one by one according to your requirement. So now I can install this plugin. This is called Divi Supreme Modules Lite. Then activate it. Now let's go back to the pages. Then here we can view this page on the front side, and here you can see edit with Divi. So just you can enable Divi Fuel Builder using this option, and also you can see on the top enable Fuel Builder. You can also click here, then it will open a Divi Fuel Builder. Now it will take some time, just few seconds. Then now scroll down and here we can add a new section. So let's find plus icon to add a new section. Then here we can add a regular section. Then we can select a new row. So let me add one column. Then search for icon list. So now if you want to add only icon, just you can select this module, but at this time you want to add icon list, click here to add new item, then content. So for example I want to add some text here. And then here you can easily select any icon that you like. For example, I can select this one. Then click here yes. Then also we can duplicate and change the text. Here you can see this is text change option. Whatever text you want to add, you can easily do that. Then below that tooltip options. So whatever text you want to add, you can easily do that. Then go to design tab. Okay, in the design tab here you can see icon. Now we can easily change icon color, then icon background color, then icon gap. So these are various options. Then scroll down and here you can see image options, list items and alignment. So guys, here you can see now these are aligned horizontally. Then here we can add some space. And these are various other options. Okay, now here you can add border, box shadow, as well as you can also add animations. So guys, in this way you can easily add icon list in your Divi WordPress website.